For service members, veterans, and their families, the path to homeownership can be paved with unique opportunities and benefits. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of applying for a VA loan, ensuring you understand the process and can take full advantage of this valuable benefit. So let's start at the beginning. Chapter 1 is all about understanding VA loans. A VA loan is a mortgage program established by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, commonly known as the VA, that provides eligible veterans, active duty service members, and some members of the National Guard and Reserves with the opportunity to purchase a home with favorable terms. VA loans are backed by the VA, which means lenders are more willing to offer competitive interest rates and require little to no down payment. So let's break down who is eligible for a VA loan. To be eligible for a VA loan, you must meet specific criteria. Number 1, you must be an active duty service member, veteran, National Guard member, reservist, or family member. Number 2, you must have a valid Certificate of Eligibility, commonly known as a COE, which proves your service record. Number 3, you must meet the lender's credit and income requirements. Now that you have the basic understanding of a VA loan, let's move on to Chapter 2, preparing your VA loan application. Like we mentioned earlier, the first thing you will need to obtain is your COE. Next, you'll need to check your credit score. Although VA loans are known for their lenient credit requirements compared to conventional loans, it's still essential to have a good credit score. Lenders may have their own credit score requirements, so checking your credit report and addressing any issues can help you secure the best interest rates. And finally, you need to start to gather your necessary documentation. Prepare the necessary documentation, such as recent pay stubs or LES, leave and earnings statement, for active duty members, W-2 forms for the past 2 years, bank statements for the past 2 months, tax returns for the past 2 years, and any additional financial information requested by your lender. Now on to Chapter 3, how to choose a VA-approved lender. Not all lenders offer VA loans, so it's essential to find a lender that specializes in them. Look for VA-approved lenders who are familiar with the VA loan process and can provide expert guidance. It's important to do your research. Once you've identified potential lenders, obtain quotes from each one, compare interest rates, closing costs, and loan terms to find the best deal. Don't hesitate to negotiate for better terms if you believe it's possible. Let's move on to Chapter 4, the VA loan process. After choosing a lender, you'll need to complete a loan application. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your income, employment history, and debts. Your lender will use this information to determine your loan eligibility. Upon receiving your application, the lender will review your financial information and credit score. If you meet their requirements, you'll receive a loan pre-approval letter. This letter is essential when making an offer on a home, as it shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Now that everything is in order, it's time for the fun part. Chapter 5, house shopping. Enlist the help of a qualified real estate agent who specializes in VA loans. They can help you navigate the housing market and find properties that meet the VA loan guidelines. Once you've found the right home, work with your real estate agent to make an offer. Your pre-approval letter will strengthen your offer's credibility. Did you have an offer accepted on your dream house? Congratulations! Now we move on to the details in Chapter 6, appraisal and inspection. Before finalizing the loan, the VA requires a home appraisal to ensure the property's value matches the purchase price. The VA appraiser will assess the property's condition and market value. While the VA appraisal focuses on the property's value, a home inspection assesses its overall condition. A thorough home inspection can uncover any potential issues that may affect your decision to buy. Now it's time to make it official. Chapter 7 is all about closing the deal on your new home. Once the home passes appraisal and inspection, you'll need to provide any additional documentation requested by your lender. This includes homeowner's insurance and a final credit check. The closing is the final step in the home buying process. During this meeting, you'll sign the necessary documents and pay any remaining closing costs. Your real estate agent and lender will guide you through the process. You've officially made it. Our last chapter is here, and it is all about enjoying your new home. Applying for a VA loan can be a smooth and rewarding experience if you understand the process and meet the necessary requirements. By obtaining your Certificate of Eligibility, finding the right lender, and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can achieve your dream of homeownership with the assistance of this valuable military benefit. VA loans offer a path to homeownership that's more accessible and affordable for those who have served our country. Thank you for watching. We hope this information helps you on your journey to becoming a homeowner. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to a member of the Military Home Spot Lending Team. Good luck, and enjoy your new home!